Hi, welcome to a video of the TP-Link E4 system. So I'm going to quickly take you through this. As you can see, that's the system that we did give the review for the installation there. I'm just going to quickly talk you through how it actually works. So it is fast, it is stable. You can also fit this with Amazon, I'm not going to say the word, but the smart speaker there that's highlighted in the middle of the screen. It's meant to get rid of dead zones. My experience after using this for a week is that it very much does that, and you can see that you can have this set up in various configurations in your home. So your home can be any shape and this can handle that. Nice little graphic there to start with, a couple of graphics there. Firstly, you can see the guy walking up the steps there who goes all the way up the steps and he doesn't lose his signal. That's because the mesh system will always provide a signal, and your device will go to the strongest signal. It won't wait for one to fade out. It won't always try and remained attached to the initial one. The other graphic shows the guy losing his signal, so he's got to switch off, switch back on again every time he's out of range or getting a very weak signal, and then log back into the next one. So with the mesh system you avoid all of this. Buffering, no more buffering. Apparently you can see there's loads of devices. You can get 100 devices onto these. You can use this as an access point or a router. I recommend using the option 1 and basically use this as a router, or you're effectively creating your new Wi-Fi where everyone will connect. You've got all sorts of controls on here, so you can, for example, set time limits on how long people can use the system for. You can set it for profiles, so if you've got family members who you want to get off the system, you can do that. And also you can suspend connectivity. If people are coming, you want to get them down for tea or whatever, just get everyone off the net, you can do that as well. And you can also using your smart speaker, you can link to these devices and then have remote control over this. You can also, as demonstrated here, link the Deco E4 with other decos. And of course you can add more Deco E4s on if you want to extend your range. Okay, so you've got an app-based setup which is very, very easy to use. You can also manage using the app as well, and after you've linked it, as I said a little while ago, to your smart speaker, you can use voice control. From a specification point of view here, you've also got, I just wanted to show you that the hardware features here, you've got a lot of RAM and SD-RAM built into the system, and you've got 2 internal dual band antennas. So this is what's giving you good range throughout the house. So you do get great connections between the speakers, and that gives you a really, really good system. This is way better than range extenders. This is a different league. I've used range extenders from TP-Link before. They're very, very limited. This is the way forward. And one thing that's really cool as well is you can give your Wi-Fi the name you want, and you can set the password you want. So when your friends rock up, you know the password. You haven't got to go digging around trying to find some crazy, ridiculous passcode. You can set that yourself. Very secure, very user-friendly. The units look good, and it's reliable. Thanks very much. See you guys on the flip side.